Good morning, dear children, and welcome to English class, dear children. Dear children, today we are going to continue with our cursive writing strokes. So, let us see what all the letters, children, which we will study today. They are R, letter R. We will see how to write letter R in cursive handwriting. Letter S, children. Letter V, letter X, and letter Z, children. So let us start, children. The first letter which we have to write today, that is letter R, children. So how to write letter R, children? First of all, children, in this 4-line copy there are four lines given in the notebook. So letter R is written, children, in between the two lines, that is the second line and third line, children. How to write letter R, children? First of all, take a slant, children, make a small loop, again slant at the top, children, and a left curve, children. Okay, again we will repeat, children. Make a slant, children, take a small loop, children, again take a slant, children, and take a curve, children. Again we will write, children, the same letter R. Take a slant, children, make a small loop, children, again take a slant at the top, children, touch the second line, again take a curve. Again we will write, children, one time. Take a slant, children, touch the second line, make a small loop, children, again take a slant, children, and take a curve, children. So this is letter R, which is written in between the first two lines, children. Now the second letter which we have to study, which we have to write, children, that is letter S, children. So again, children, letter S is also written in between the two lines, children, second line and third line, children. Again for letter S, children, take a slant, children, make a small loop, children, come back to the second line, take a small curve inside, again take a small slant, children. Again we will write letter S, children. Listen it very carefully how to write it in the how to write in cursive handwriting in the 4-line copy, children. Letter S is written in between the two lines, children, in second line and third line. Take a slant, children, first, make a small loop, children, make a small curve, children. After coming on the third line, children, again take little bit small slant. Again we will write, children, letter S. Take a slant, children, make a small loop, children, make a small curve, touch the third line, children, and come back again to make a little bit slant at down. Make a slant, children, make a small curve, again make a small curve at the down and come back. So in this way, children, we will write letter S. Now the third letter which we have to write, children, that is letter V. Now how to write letter V in cursive, children? So letter V is written again in between the second line and third line, children. So take a slant, children, touch the second line, come down to third line, again go to second line and make a small loop. Make a slant, children, touch the second line, come down, touch the third line, again go to second line and make a small loop. Take a slant, children, touch the second line, come to third line, children, go back to second line and make a small loop, children. Again take a slant, children, touch the second line, come down to third line, go to second line and make a small loop at the second line. In this way, children, we will write letter V. Letter V is also written in between the second line and third line, children. Now we will write letter X, children. Again letter X is written, children, in between the third line and second line and third line, children. Take a slant, children. Touch the second line. Make a small curve towards the right hand side, children. Again go up. Make a small curve towards the left hand side, children. Again we will write letter X. Take a slant, children. Touch the second line. Take a right curve, children. Again go back. Touch the second line and take the left curve, children. Again for X, children. Take a slant, children. Take a right curve, children. Go back and again take the left curve, children. Now take a slant, children. Touch the second line. Take a curve, children, towards the right side. Again go up. Take the curve towards the left side, children. In this way we will write letter X, children, in cursive format. Now last letter which we have to write today, that is letter Z, children. Letter Z is written in between the three lines, children. Last three lines. Second line, third line and fourth line, children. Take a slant, children, first of all. Make a small curve. Take a small curve. Come down to third line, children. Again make a curve and take a small loop. In this way we will write letter Z, children. Take a slant, children. Touch the second line. Make a small curve. Again come down to the fourth line and make a small loop, children. Again, children, take a slant, children. Touch the second line. Make a small curve, right curve, children. Again come down and make a small loop. Touch the fourth line and make a small loop, children. Again take a slant, children. Touch the second line. Take a right curve, children. Come down to third line. Again come down to fourth line and make a small loop, children. In this way, children, we will write letter Z, children. So children, how many letters we have studied today to write in cursive handwriting, children? Letter R, children. Letter S, letter V, letter X and letter Z, children. So children, now all these things you have to practice at your home, either in 4-line copy, children, or in your cursive book, children. Today we have completed all the letters which we have to write in cursive format, children. Till then you practice and send the screenshot on my personal number, children, after practicing in cursive book or 4-line book, children. So okay, children, today this is for your today the topic is this one for your English class, children. So thank you, children. Bye, children.